Alright there. Hello there everyone, it's Bryanshausen here once again with another video. And this is a video request here that I'm going to be doing of this TAT spinner ceiling fan. And I just want to get a few close-ups here of it taken down. I probably should have cleaned it first, but whatever. I still am going to take off part of the blade there along with the bracket, but just some close-ups here just to show you what it looks like. You probably would want to replace the canopy, that's pretty gone, and it's got the ball mount mounting there. You can kind of see the original finish there. So it used to be like a polished brass fan, and there is what I believe to be the manufacture date, 9/11/1988. These labels are so old they don't say anything anymore, except for see, there's something. That's just a UL label, but it's unfortunate that that probably was the manufacturing plate, but that is no more. So I'm supposed to make a video of this, of me spinning this. I'm going to do that right now. You can see it's spinning. It's a little easier to do this when it's hanging, but it's pretty smooth. I mean, there's no noises when spinning it, and it doesn't, you know, it doesn't feel like anything's grinding when spinning it. It's just a pretty smooth spin. The spin down's pretty short, but I mean, it hasn't been ran in like 20 years, I'm sure. The bearings are pretty new still, so let's get a view this way. Here's the mounting. There's a little ground cable there, and a screw. It mounts like that. Alright. Like I said, this would have been like a white polished brass. Here's the pull chain. It's still intact. It doesn't feel very smooth, so either way you probably want to replace the this, whatever you call this, switch for the pull. And canopy is pretty disgusting. It's pretty decorroded. I can't think of the word I'm trying to say right now, but I'm just gonna leave it as being pretty disgusting. That's what the original finish of the blades used to be. And there's mold growing there. So, like I said to the buyer, or a buyer, that you probably want to replace the brackets. As you see, those are pretty destroyed, and the canopy. The motor housing here really isn't too bad. I mean, you could probably scrub this off, and the same thing with this rust here. It doesn't look too bad. I mean, once you replace the brackets, attempt to scrub that off, and the rest of this, I don't think it would be too bad. I'm trying to think of here what would be a good way of how to spin this. And there we go. There, I just span it. I almost forgot to show here. Here's the, make sure it's sitting up here how it should. Here's the reverse switch. It's pretty gummed up, but you know. You could probably lubricate that, and then that would move nice again, or just replace it. Right. I hope this video covers everything that you wanted to see. I mean, I'm not really sure what else I could possibly video. I can't really get the down rod off. Maybe I could remove that screw there. That's not rusted, but I mean, practically the rest of pretty much everything is just rusted, like the canopy here, and I don't know how I'm going to get that off. Alright, well, I'll attempt to do that. I'll attempt to disassemble it the best I can. I hope this answers your question, and I hope that you enjoy this video and all of that. And there's the that part that goes to the switch that I just took off, and the mount there. Alright.